Hi y'all, this is a quick guide of how to get your friend's IP address. We're gonna go to what'sttheirip.com. Alright, we're gonna read the instructions, blah blah blah. I'm gonna enter my email, press get link, and it's gonna provide me with three links that have a unique URL that I could send my friend to. Now the first one, you could pick any of these three. First one will send them to a forum for automotive. If they're into car parts, they're more likely to click this one and see what it's about, and they see that there's no thread there, so they think it's okay, it's an error, close it and let you know, oh, the page didn't work. Meanwhile, if you go to your inbox, which will be in your spam folder because the email script is being sent from a server PHP script, so it will most likely be in your spam folder. I will say, okay, that's your friend's IP, or in this case it's mine because I clicked the link myself. But if your friend clicked the link, it would be their IP. Alright, I just clicked blah blah blah. Alright, and let's mark this as not spam. And here are just confirmation of basically what you see over here in case you want to close this and have the reference in your email. So let's try clicking the other link. We'll just click this one, which looks like some random link. Okay, requested URL cannot be found on this server. Meanwhile, this is a PHP file, and it just sent you another email that has their IP, which will be in the inbox this time because we just marked it as not spam. No, it's not in the inbox, but whatever. Okay, not spam. That's from the second one. As you can see, it says bvog instead of this one that says Honda Chat. Now the third URL is just one if you want to just mess around with them a little bit and let them know that they're a monkey for letting you know their IP address. Send them to this link. They click that, tells them they're a monkey, and it also emails you their IP as well. Update conversation. Okay, you're a monkey. Now let's say your friend gets really upset and he copies this URL and he keeps going like this and he actually sets up a robot to keep refreshing this page, thus spamming your inbox or other methods of pissing you off. So you just got 8 new messages, and imagine how much you would get overnight if your friend wanted to mess with you. If he's that smart, I guess you could just go to the original email, which is somewhere over here, the setup complete email, and you could just stop receiving emails for that one. And if you ever wanted to start it, you could create another one in just a few seconds.